So how can you close the talkback feature on your Android device? Let's get started. So this is a feature which is part of the accessibility. So you can find it inside of the main settings app and just go to the accessibility, which is marked by this like green icon with a person on it. And quite literally, the first thing is what's called talkback. So you can see that we can disable it like that, just turn it off. However, a lot of people just cannot even get it there because it's kind of hard to navigate around the iPhone and the UI when this feature is turned on. So it kind of works in a different sense where you have to at first just select the thing you want to do and then double click that. So it's kind of harder to get and move around the UI. So you would then just click on the settings to make it selected and then double tap with your finger there to get inside. And that's how you have to navigate the UI to get it there. Now, obviously, if you have the some kind of assistant enabled, like if you have the, I don't know, like Bixby or Google Assistant, you might try to hold down on the power button or try to activate it. And you can also use a voice command to turn off the talkback feature, which might even be more useful for a lot of people since you don't have to go through all of the manual process. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to actually find it and get it to work or to turn it off. Subscribe for more videos and guides like this one, and I'll see you later in the next video.